Did you know that nearly 150 chemicals found in common household cleaners are linked to allergies, asthma, and other respiratory issues? This startling statistic underscores a growing concern among health-conscious individuals and families. The kitchen, often considered the heart of the home, is where we prepare meals, share stories, and create memories. Yet, it is also a space where harmful chemicals lurk, ready to compromise our health and the environment. The good news is that there's a safer, more effective alternative: homemade kitchen cleaners. Homemade kitchen cleaners are not just a trend. They represent a paradigm shift towards safer, cost-effective, and eco-friendly cleaning solutions. Many commercial cleaners are laden with synthetic fragrances, harsh chemicals, and toxic substances that can irritate the skin, trigger allergies, and even pollute the air we breathe. By making your own cleaners, you can avoid these risks entirely. Imagine a cleaner that is gentle on your skin, safe for your family, and kind to the planet. One of the most significant benefits of homemade cleaners is their cost-effectiveness. Commercial cleaners can be expensive, and the costs can add up quickly, especially if you're trying to stock up on a variety of products for different surfaces. In contrast, the ingredients for homemade cleaners are often found in your pantry or easily accessible at your local grocery store, making them a budget-friendly option. A simple combination of vinegar, baking soda, lemon juice, and essential oils can replace an entire shelf of commercial products, saving you money while keeping your home safe. Furthermore, the environmental impact of commercial cleaners is alarming. Many of these products come in plastic packaging that contributes to pollution and waste, and their chemical contents can harm aquatic life when washed down the drain. Homemade cleaners, on the other hand, are typically made from natural ingredients that are biodegradable and less harmful to the environment. By choosing to create your own cleaners, you're not only protecting your health, but also making a positive impact on the planet. Despite these advantages, many people hesitate to switch to homemade cleaners due to concerns about their effectiveness. Some worry that natural ingredients won't be as powerful as their commercial counterparts. However, when used correctly, homemade cleaners can tackle even the toughest grime. The key is understanding the properties of the ingredients you use. For instance, vinegar is a natural disinfectant that can cut through grease and eliminate odors, while baking soda acts as a gentle abrasive that can scrub away tough stains without scratching surfaces. Lemon juice not only adds a pleasant scent, but also has antibacterial properties, making it an excellent addition to your cleaning arsenal. Creating your own kitchen cleaner is simple and requires just a few basic ingredients. To make an all-purpose cleaner, gather the following: 1 cup of white vinegar, 1 cup of water, a tablespoon of baking soda, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil for fragrance. Essential oils like tea tree, lavender, or lemon not only smell delightful, but also possess natural antibacterial properties. Start by combining the vinegar and water in a spray bottle. Vinegar's acidity helps to break down grime and disinfect surfaces. Next, carefully add the baking soda. Be prepared for a fizzing reaction as the two ingredients interact. This reaction is normal and helps to enhance the cleaning power of the solution. Once the fizzing subsides, add a few drops of essential oil to the mixture. Shake the bottle gently to combine all the ingredients, and your homemade all-purpose cleaner is ready to use. Now, let's put this cleaner to the test. Picture a kitchen countertop that has seen better days, covered in sticky residue from spilled food, fingerprints, and smudges. Armed with your homemade cleaner, spray the solution generously over the dirty surface. As you wipe it down with a clean cloth, you can see the grime lifting away effortlessly. The vinegar cuts through the sticky residue, while the baking soda provides a gentle scrubbing action. The fresh scent of lemon fills the air, making the task of cleaning less of a chore and more of a refreshing experience. Within moments, the countertop shines, free from dirt and harmful chemicals. As you step back to admire your work, it becomes clear that homemade cleaners are not only effective, but also incredibly satisfying to make and use. The immediate results speak volumes about the power of natural ingredients. You've just transformed a dirty surface into a clean, safe space for your family to gather and enjoy meals together. In summary, the advantages of using homemade kitchen cleaners are numerous. They are safe for your family, cost-effective, and environmentally friendly. The simple process of mixing a few common ingredients can yield powerful results, allowing you to take control of your cleaning routine without compromising your health or the planet. By opting for homemade cleaners, you're making a conscious choice to protect your loved ones and contribute to a healthier environment. So why not give it a try? Embrace the simplicity and effectiveness of homemade cleaners and experience the satisfaction of creating a safer, cleaner home.